Hey BIOL-1 students, welcome to week 12. I'm just going to have a brief video letting you know where to look and what to find and what is due in the coming week. So if you go to announcements on our page, I did send out on April 7th the exam 3. There was the study guide. So now if you go to our modules, and we get to where we're actually at. Here we go. Keep going. So we're here at Introduction to Evolution and its Mechanisms, which will be tomorrow. And on Thursday, the exam 3 will be due. So that's already available. You do have 2 chances to go through it. I don't grade the short answer or the thought question on your attempts, but all of your definitions and your multiple choice, you get 2 attempts to go through those. And so I have the exam there, but for tomorrow, there's a chapter and your quizzes that are due. There is a Wendy Riggs lecture on evidence for evolution that will be a great resource for you, along with your typical study guides and helpful resources for that. And for some reason, I've got the exam there twice. You only have to take it for 1 time. So make sure that you go in and do your exam. It is set up exactly like a Canvas quiz. You'll launch it. You will fill in the blank for your definitions, choose your multiple choice, and then type your answers in for the short answer and the thought question. So I did provide the thought question in advance in that announcement and under study guides. So it's a great idea to write out your answers for that study thought question first. Then when you launch the exam, you can just type your answers in and aren't trying to figure out the answer to that question while you've got the exam open. And your lab will getting posted this week before Thursday. And it'll be the same as the previous 2 labs that Colette put up, with great resources where you'll be doing the discussion board to complete your labs. So the most important thing, keep up with your Canvas quizzes. Those aren't worth a lot of points each, but the points add up to more than an exam. So make sure you're keeping track of those. They are open till the end of the semester, but it's a really bad idea to let them pile up. So if you've missed any, go back now. They are still open. Please take them and get those points. And today's focus should be on studying and taking your lecture exam 3. Hope everyone is safe and healthy.